How to review tagged post on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can review tagged posts on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to review tagged posts on Facebook, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Facebook application. Now basically, if you receive a tag, you'll most likely receive a notification as well, so you can go to notifications tab in order to see if you have received any type of notifications at all, or if not, then you can just only come to your profile page over here. And when you come to your profile page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option called post, right? So right under your post you'll find the option called manage post. Just tap on manage post. So here you can see filters. If you want, you can actually see the filters and privacy or whatever else. You can only show posts that you're tagged in, right? So you can just turn on this filter and then you'll see the post that you're tagged in basically. If not, then you'll not be able to see it, right? So just tap on done. So if you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see the post that you're tagged in. If you want to review it, just tap on next. If you want to remove the tag, you can remove the tag. If you want to delete the post, you can delete the post. If you want to hide from timeline, you can just make it sure that it's hidden from your timeline as well. And that's all it takes to review tagged posts on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.